Hello guys, today we are going to talk about syllogism. First, let's see what does syllogism mean. Can you define what does it mean? The word syllogism comes from the Greek word syllogismos. Okay, the word syllogism comes from Greek word syllogismos. Syllogismos means conclusion or inference. So we can say that we can define syllogism as a syllogism is a Greek word. Syllogismos or conclusion or inference is a kind of logical argument that applies deductive reasoning to arrive at a conclusion based on two propositions that are asserted or assumed to be true. Okay, assumed to be what? True. We might be given two statements or three statements. Based on those two statements or three statements, we are expected to find the conclusion of the two statements. Based on this, we try to see some examples. Let's see. First, let me read the instruction. In each of the following questions, two statements are given, and these statements are followed by two conclusions, number 1 and number 2. You have to take the given two statements to be true, even if they seem to be at variance from commonly known facts. Give answer A, B, C, D, and E. Now, let's see. A, if only one conclusion follows. B, if only two conclusion follows. C, if either one or two follows. D, if neither one nor two follows. E, if both one and two follows. Do you understand the instruction? Let's say if conclusion 1 follows after we read two statements, we are going to find the conclusion. So if conclusion 1 follows, we can say that A, if only one conclusion follows. If conclusion 2 follows, we can say choice B, if only two conclusion follows. Whereas if conclusion 1, either 1 or 2 follows, we can say that we can choose choice C, if either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. If after we read two statements and if we don't have any conclusion, we can choose choice D, that's if neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. The last one, after we read two statements and if two statements can be followed, or if the two statements can be the conclusion of two statements, we can say, or we can choose choice E, if both conclusion 1 and 2 follow. So let's see. Question number 1. Statement: some papers are pens. All the pencils are pens. Conclusion: some pens are pencils. Some pens are papers. Choice A, only one conclusion follows. B, only two conclusion follows. C, either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows. D, neither 1 nor 2 follows. E, both 1 and 2 follow. And the right answer is option E. Choice A is the right answer. Both conclusion 1 and 2 follow. Let's continue. Question number 2. Statement: some ants are parrots. All the parrots are apples. What can be the conclusion? Now you are given two statements. Some ants are parrots and all the parrots are apples. What is the conclusion of these two statements? Conclusion 1, all the apples are parrots. Conclusion 2, some ants are apples. Choice A, only one conclusion follows. Choice B, only two conclusions follows. Choice C, either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows. Choice D, neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. Choice E, both conclusion 1 and 2 follow. What is the right answer? The right answer is choice B. The right answer is choice B. Number 3. Statements: some mangoes are yellow. Some tixo are mangoes. Some mangoes are yellow. Some tixo are mangoes. Conclusion 1, some mangoes are green. Conclusion 2, tixo is yellow. Now let's see the choice. A, only one conclusion follows. B, only two conclusion follows. C, either one or two follows. D, neither one nor two follows. E, both 1 and 2 follow. What's the answer? The right answer is D. D. Number 4. Statement: all the harmoniums are instruments. All the instruments are flutes. All the harmoniums are instruments. All the instruments are flutes. What can be the conclusion of these two statements? Conclusions: conclusion 1, all the flutes are instruments. Conclusion 2, all the harmoniums are flutes. Choice A, only one conclusion follows. B, only two conclusions follows. C, either 1 or 2 follows. D, neither 1 nor 2 follows. E, both 1 and 2 follow. What is the right answer? The right answer is option B. The right answer is option B. Question number 5. Statements: some actors are singers. All the singers are dancers. Now you are given two statements. Let's find the conclusion of these two statements. Conclusion 1, some actors are dancers. Conclusion 2, no singer is actor. Choice A, only one conclusion follows. Choice B, only two conclusion follows. Choice C, either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Choice D, neither 1 nor 2 follows. Choice E, both 1 and 2 follow. What is the right answer? The right answer is option A. I hope you are following today's lesson and it's very clear for everyone. If you have any questions, please write on the comment part. That's all for today. Next time we will continue question number 6 up to number 10. Thank you very much for having good attention. Bye for now. Hello guys.